What is 0.375% as a decimal? So we can rewrite this 375. Instead of percent, we can write 1 over 100. Now multiply 1 times this 0.375 divided by 100. So look, 10 to the power 2 means 100. So 100 is a power of 10 number. Here we have 20 decimal. So decimal point will move from right to left 2 places. 1 place, 2 place. So we are getting this place don't have any digits. So consider 0. Decimal point will come here 375. You can add one more 0 to mean that this number is less than 1. So 0.375% as a decimal is this.